One of the most versatile cues that we can teach our dogs is how to do a nose touch. It comes in handy for a wide variety of different situations, from teaching our dogs how to do loose leash walking to working on a recall, or even kind of using it as a reset button on our dogs. Hi, I'm Jamie Popper. Welcome to Kong Classroom. When we ask our dog to do a nose touch, what we're looking for them to do is move their nose towards our hand and touch their nose to our hand. Now that seems pretty simple, and it is actually fairly easy to train our dogs how to do it. We'll use this in different training setups, like when we're working on teaching our dogs to come when called. I want my dog to come all the way to me, not just like 5 feet away and then maybe dash off to do something else that he would rather do. I want my dog to come all the way up to me, touch his nose to my hand, and that means that he's close enough that I can grab him. Our nose touch cue is super versatile. We can use it when we're teaching our dogs to come when called, when we're working on loose leash walking, or kind of as a reset button. Asking our dogs to do a nose touch, all we're doing is looking for our dog to move towards our hand and touch their nose to our hand. And what that allows us to do is make sure that they're nice and close to us, and it gives us the opportunity to help them navigate through different things that we're looking for. So we talked about it a little bit in our loose leash walking video. We use a nose touch in order to get our dog to come and stand closer to our side. We can also use that nose touch cue when we're working on come when called. I want my dog to come all the way to me, not just close enough to grab a treat and then run away. I need to be able to leash up my dog if we're at a dog park or on an off-leash hike and it's time to go home. I need my dog to get close enough to me that I'm able to do that. So when we're working on come when called, I'll ask my dog to come all the way to me and do that nose touch cue in order to make sure that he's close to me and earn his reward. Now, when we're teaching this nose touch cue, all we do is set our hand out to the side a couple of inches from our dog's nose, and they're very likely to investigate it, especially if you had just been handling treats. It's going to smell really good. Our dog is going to sniff our hand or push their nose into our hand because it's a novel stimulus. It's something that's a little bit different. You just put it in front of their face. They're going to investigate it. When they do that, we want to let them know that, yes, that's exactly what we're looking for. And then we'll reward them with one of their favorite training treats in order to let them know that that's what we're looking for. Do that again. Then, once we've trained that behavior, we can use it inside of all of our other training sessions as well as kind of a reset. If your dog is having trouble focusing on you, they've gotten distracted by something, asking for a simple cue, something that they've done a lot before, like that nose touch cue, can help them refocus on us and get us ready to work on any of the other skills that we were planning on doing in that training session. I'm Jamie Popper. Thanks for joining us in Kong Classroom.